Hi, this is Tom Kenny with Simpson Design Build. We're at 2024 Burr Oak today on a Saturday, bringing in all of the stone countertops, vanities, island tops. Should be a good day here. These guys just put this countertop in the dining room. This is the dining room buffet. It's a piece of quartzite. I believe this piece of quartzite came from Brazil, and they cut it off of like a mountainside, and they gauged it. And the guys from Tithof brought it to the kind of fabrication area, and they cut it. After we placed all the veining on like the computer, we decided how we wanted to actually cut the slab, and then they cut it, and they cut all these, and they polished all the edges, put this little ease dent in, made these corners, and it just slipped right in. These guys just brought in the island countertop. They just flipped it on top of the cabinetry. Right now, these guys are just making sure that it's got the same equal distance all around position before they take off the brackets. The brackets are there to keep the piece of stone from breaking when they flip it on top of there. The important thing is, see how this countertop and this countertop's two different pieces, but they've matched up the vein and the stone exactly. That's like a big time detail. That they've cut the stone out of these giant blocks, and then they book match each piece in order to get the veining to look like this is one piece of stone, and they fill it in. It looks like it's one just giant piece of stone.
So all of our faucet holes are drilled on a CNC machine. They stop about 1/8 of an inch from the face. And they just put something underneath it to catch the debris, and it pops straight down, right into a little bucket, and we clean it up.
We're going to be bringing a 680-pound piece of Galapagos quartzite down into the basement here. So this is where this piece goes right here. So this is a big wide piece. The smaller piece in the back of the sink isn't as heavy, but this is one single piece of stone. And so this piece of stone that's coming from Brazil, it originally started out as a piece of sandstone, more made of quartz. But when the two tectonic plates crushed into each other, there was so much heat and so much pressure that it turned the stone into quartzite. It's too heavy to actually carry. So we built like a Tennessee strongarm, some rigging above us. This is a block and tackle. We're gonna bring the stone in right here, hook it up on straps, swing it out over the staircase, and then these guys are gonna lower it down.
Everybody kind of just finds a spot where they fit in. If somebody's needed somewhere, we see it. Somebody's pulling the chain, somebody's holding it from the top, somebody's underneath holding it from the bottom.
So all the work that we did building the Tennessee strongarm and putting up the block and tackle and bringing all these guys here was to avoid having to put a seam in this countertop, because you'd be able to see that seam through the veining. So all the additional work allowed us to have this entire piece in one single piece. You can feel the veins of the quartzite, so it's beautiful.